Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Picked something up at Costco here, and I want to do an unboxing of it. Because the way things are going right now, this is an exceptional deal. Alright, so this is the Mr. Buddy propane heater, safe for indoor use. However, it's a package deal. It comes with the filter. I'll go zoom in here a bit. The filter for it and the hose connected to a 20 or 30 pound bottle. Alright, so we're going to do an unboxing here and cover it. But just to let you know, I paid $79.99 at Costco for this. Finding the same Mr. Buddy without the connection on it, the cheapest I've been able to find it was $59. And that wasn't around local. And then the around local here, the next one was $69. Now, to buy this same setup on Amazon is $129.42. So let's bring it in here and check it out. Okay, so this is the package here. You can see it's got the filter, the hose, and lists everything else on it here. Check it out here. Now I do have one of these already. I did a review on it several years ago, and it works great. And last year was my backup heat for the back part of the house here. So when we open it up, right there on top is the hose. Interesting thing, on Amazon, this is the 5-foot hose. The 10-foot hose is $2 cheaper than buying the 5-foot hose. Let's pull this up. Got your instructions with a tag, add-on tag here about the proper way to install it. Filter goes in and the hose goes into the filter. And all the instructions in here are very well laid out. You need to read this before you actually operate it. Now, I have to set this down lower here so I can pull it up and out. And I may have a problem here. Oh, nope, here it is. Ah, there it is. There's the filter unit right there. So I'm going to go ahead and get it out of its little bag here. Put it back in the box. Alright, so here's your filter. So this part screws into the unit here, just like no, scratch the other way around. This part screws into the unit, so this is just like the top of your green canisters, and this would screw into the hose, or you can screw a green canister into here, and it's, you know, same thing. So pull this over here and take the little cap off that's on there to protect the threads. So you just take this, snug, there we go, and then that you can screw it. Generally you screw this in first, so I just want to make sure it fits in there nice. This does have a swivel on here, so once this is screwed into the unit, you can just screw it on with the, I can just show that. Pull this off here. And if you have little kids around, make sure you dispose of the bags properly. And these bags do have a recycling emblem on it. If your municipality does recycling, it tells you how you can recycle it. Outside the box. Set the box off to the side here. Now, one of the neat things about this is it has some wall hanging mounts, so you can put a couple screws in the wall and just hang it up on the wall so it's off the floor. It has a pezzo lighter down here in the bottom, and let's trying to remember which one pops it loose. Lay on this back here. Okay, it's going to be the top one here. This one's always difficult if you try to take this grate off. If you need to take it off to blow dust out or wipe this off on both sides from dust collection. But there it goes. Okay, so you got to pull it out a little bit and then up. And it's such spring loaded, it doesn't want to come. There it goes. So that's what the hook here looks like. So the bottom one goes in first. And you lift this other one up and on. And it snaps in a lot easier than it does to come undone. Alright, so on the side here, this is where you connect your propane tank. It swivels up so you can screw your bottles on easily and goes down. Take it there, we take the filter. Screw the filter on. It does not hurt to leave the filter on it. And you can go down or put it up, and then you take the with a swivel here, stick it in, and then screw it in. Once you have this connected, then you connect this piece here to the propane tank. So you want to connect this part here first. And depending on how, it gets a little tight here for this here. If you put it so the filter's down, so it's probably best to leave the filter up at an angle. Or if you have it wall mounted, it's not a big deal, it'll just hang down straight. But if you have it sitting on the floor, you're probably going to want to leave that out a little bit and take this over to the tank. Alright, to light this up, it's got a multiple stage here on it. You can't turn it until you push down in, then it turns over to pilot. And then on pilot, what I've noticed is, because the way it bleeds out once you're done using it, you push down in and you'll hear the hiss. You give it about 10-15 seconds or until you smell something, and then you push it the rest of the way, that'll spark and it'll ignite. You hold it down for about another 5 to 10 seconds, and you let go, and the flame should stay lit. And then you push down just a hair, move it over to low, push it down a hair, move it over to high. But it has a locking position of it, so you got to push down each time you want to move it from one position to another. And even to turn it off, you got to push down. All right. So there it is, Mr. Heater. So I hope you enjoyed that little informational on here on this unboxing. Also to remind you that currently, this hopefully is going to be ending soon. My other channel, Gray Man Prepping, is 7 subscribers away from 1,000, and the 1,000 subscriber giveaway contest will continue 2 weeks beyond the time that YouTube monetizes it. So even after YouTube finally says, yes, you got your 1,000 subscribers, you have plenty of watch hours, you're monetized, it'll go on for 2 weeks beyond that, and I will post the actual date we're going to do the giveaway. All right, so here I'll post right here the link to the giveaway. I'll post down the link to my other review on this, and somewhere right up in here or in the middle here, I'll post the link to Gray Man Prepping itself. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care.